In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update beneficiaries and PALD designations in Bank of America online banking. To begin, sign into your Bank of America online banking account on the official website or mobile app. Once you're in, choose the specific account you want to update. This might be a checking or savings account, a CD, or an IRA. Selecting the right account is important because beneficiary options can differ depending on the type. Next, look for the Features section. Within Features, find the Beneficiaries option and click Manage. This is where you'll control who inherits the funds in that account. Take a moment to review what's already on file so you know what needs updating. From here, you can add, remove, or update payable on death or POD designations. A POD designation allows the money in that account to pass directly to your named beneficiaries after you pass away, bypassing probate. It doesn't give anyone access to your account while you're alive. When adding or updating a beneficiary, be sure to enter their full legal name and accurate details. If you're assigning more than one beneficiary, double check that the distribution percentages add up to 100. Small typos or incorrect percentages can cause delays later, so take a moment to verify everything before you proceed. If you're working with an IRA, there's an extra requirement. You'll need to complete the IRA beneficiary change form to finalize updates for retirement accounts. Follow the on-screen prompts to provide the requested information. Many people choose both primary and contingent beneficiaries for IRAs, so be prepared to indicate who is first in line and who is next if the primary cannot inherit. Again, accuracy is key here to ensure your intentions are carried out correctly. When you're satisfied with your updates, submit your changes, look for a confirmation on screen, and keep an eye out for any follow-up message indicating the update was received and processed. Changes typically take effect once they're submitted and confirmed, so that confirmation is your indicator that everything is in place. As a best practice, revisit your beneficiary information periodically, especially after major life events like marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child, to make sure it reflects your current wishes. Keeping these details up to date helps your assets transfer smoothly and according to your plan. That's it. You've learned how to access your account, navigate to beneficiaries, manage POD designations, and complete the IRA beneficiary change form when needed. Review carefully, submit and confirm, and you'll be all set.